Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a newsletter post and email subscription thing using Substack. To begin, we want to open up substack.com and we're going to press on create your Substack. From here, it's going to tell you to create a newsletter up here. So it's going to tell you get started. Now, you can either connect with Twitter, but we don't need that. So we're going to press on skip and it's going to ask for your email address. So I'm going to type my email address and I'm going to press agree and continue. Okay, once I've done that, it's going to bring it up here. Now you can set up your profile. So you can begin by adding a profile picture, which you can do. I won't be doing for here. Our name. I'm going to do test name and our bio. This is a test account bio. And we're going to press on continue. From here, it's going to ask to make your publication. So we can do the web URL. I'm going to do this at substack.com and I'm going to press on continue. From there, it's going to ask you to import your mailing list. Now, this is generally for people who have a mailing list. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, but if you do, you can just drag your CSV file. For us, we won't be needing this, so I'm going to be pressing on skip. From here, you can add friends and family to your subscribers list to get you started. Friends or other people who have subscribed. For us, we don't have anyone yet, but you can add people if you want to. So I'm going to press on skip once again. Now dive into your interest. It is going to ask you to write about your interests. So let's choose a few random interests. Technology, sports, music, business, finance, fashion and beauty design, health and wellness, crypto. And we're going to press on continue. And now, based on our interests, here are some writers we might enjoy. So these are some writers who use Substack. And you can open them up and read newsletters that they write. So let's open this one, for example, and the Pragmatic Engineer. So so once you enter your email, their newsletter will be coming into your email every day. So for us, we won't need to do any of this. I'm not going to subscribe, but you guys should if those are people you're interested in. And I'm going to continue without subscribing. Now, all set, head on to over and we can start. So we're going to open this up and this is our Substack. Now, I'm going to show you guys the basic ropes around here. To begin, this is our post tab. Here we can make posts, new threads, new episodes, and new videos. Over here is our podcast. If we ever want to start podcasting on Substack, we can do so from right here. From here is our subscribers. Here it will show us all subscribers and our paid subscribers, which you can set up later. You can also search for your subscribers right here. From here, it will show you your stats. Stats are quite important if you're trying to get big into Substacks. You gotta check your stats to see the average subscribing rate, the views, and the reading time, etc., and the emails you have, and general traffic. So here you can see all your stats. At the moment, we don't have any because we don't have anyone subscribed to us. Then from here, we can go to recommendations. And as you can see here, it's going to recommend other Substack publications. So we can press on recommend, but we won't be doing that for now. Then here's our settings. And settings you can do however you want, but it's not what we're looking for at the moment. So let's get on how to make our very own newsletter. So we're going to press on post and we are going to press on new post. From here, it's going to say some of this stuff. We're going to press on not now. And as you can see, it's going to tell you to up here, edit email header and footer. Now, this is one of the most important things. We're going to press on this and it's going to open up a new tab. From here, you can add your banner image for the header and edit the header for all posts. Then we can add our email footer, so our company name, etc. all that stuff, or subscribe. And you want to make sure you do these. It's going to give you the recommended size file, size of the picture, and make sure it's a PNG file. For us, I'm not going to be doing any of this, but I highly recommend you guys do this. So we can close out of this right here, and we can begin. So we're going to do test title, and up here you have many things you can use. So I'm going to do by style, and we're going to do heading 1. Sorry, normal text. So this right here, we can make it bold. Oh, it's already bold, as you can see, because it's a header. And we can add our subtitle. So subtitle. Now, from here, as you can see, test name. Now, this is our account name. So you can add other collaborators to work with you on this application. So you can write newsletters. But we won't be doing that for now. So we're going to press enter, and we're going to completely start. So this newsletter is a complete unbold test subject. And you can make your text italic, or you can make strike through like this, as you can see, or we can add code. Now, we're not going to be coding because that is way too advanced. You can also add links, so we can enter text like referral to the incident, and you can enter URL www.google.com, for example. Of course, you don't want to write Google, but it will be like referral to the incident, and you can press on here and it'll open up Google or the website you're trying to refer to. From here, we can press next. You can also add images to your newsletter, or even audio, and we can also add quotes, which is probably one of my favorite things, but we won't be working on that for now. So we can add images or add gallery, or we can search for some images. Let's do news, and we can add this photo, for example, and there we go. So from here, we can continue on writing. This guy holding a newspaper was found dead at age 37 underneath at age 37 on the main avenue, and was later reported that he was hit by a car. Now, this is a complete example because we're talking about an incident that happened. So yeah, from here, we can add buttons as well. This is probably one of the main things you want to play around with. So we can do special offer, donate subscription, get the app, subscribe now. For us, we're going to add a subscribe now button and maybe a special offer button. Select offer, we can create a new offer. Now, we won't be doing this now, but you can create a new offer for your viewers. So once again, I'm going to add on a button, and I'm going to press on share this post. And that is our newspaper or newsletter. Now, in order to preview it, see if you like it, we can press on preview. But before we do that, I want to just say, if you even want more out of this, you can press on the more tab, where you can have dividers, footneck, pottery block, latex block, which I don't recommend playing around with, a paywall, and a poll. But we won't be using that for now. So we're going to press on preview. And as you can see, this is on mobile website. So here you have it. This newsletter is a complete test, referral, and there we go. This you guy, which I meant to write guy, holding a newspaper, and then you can press on share and then right down here. And for desktop, it should look something like this. And that's the preview. So once you're done with the preview and you're happy with your results, you want to press on continue. And this post is for everyone or your paid subscribers, which we haven't set up yet and which we won't in this video. Then you can press on allow comments from your viewers, or you can disable them. Now we can social preview. This is what it's look like. And for sharing, we can press on share to Twitter, share to chat, and delivery sent via email and Substack app. Alongside that, we can schedule a time to publish. Let's do the 16th on the 21 p.m. and then publish. And that's it. That is how you make your custom newsletter on Substack. If you did like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.